And the question is, why am I not getting views? That's the question I've continued to ask myself time and time again, because I create videos that provide value, that have helpful information that people want to know, but for some reason I'm just not getting the views that I would expect. So what did I do? I went to YouTube. That's where I learned just about everything. And I was scrolling through my recommended feed just to see if YouTube had anything helpful that it wanted to recommend to me. And what did I come across? A video that tells me how to get your videos recommended on YouTube, how to get YouTube to recommend your videos. I was like, if this video that was recommended to me and it's about recommending or getting your videos recommended, it has to work because it worked for that person having it recommended to me. So what did I do? I watched the video. And what did I learn in that video? I'm about to share that with you. But heads up, I don't know how I didn't think about it. It's kind of sad because in a way it's common sense, but that sense was not common in my brain at the time when I've uploaded my videos in the past. And what's also sad is I've done countless hours of research, months upon months, as to how to be very successful on YouTube. And I've done just about everything I can, starting out with the channels that I produce. And sure, maybe there's always an extra step I can take. And this is that extra step that I did not take. So let's just dive in. We're going to go to YouTube Studio. Go along with me. Here, this is a trial channel, another channel that I had created to just try out some videos on it, a different kind of niche. So we're here on YouTube Studio. Let's go down here to Settings in the lower left-hand corner. Then we go to Channel, Basic Info, and here's where you can put in keywords. And the reason why keywords are helpful, why you need them, is because if you put in certain keywords that people are going to search in their regular YouTube searches, if you have those keywords on your channel, for your channel keywords, your video keywords, your channel and your videos are going to have a higher likelihood of being presented to that person that searches for videos with those specific keywords. So here we have none here, and I'll give an example of my videos as well. I only have 2 videos on here, so we go to Content. So let's go to these details of the video. Let's scroll down. And here we can see the keywords that I had for this video. And honestly, how I got these keywords, I just went to ChatGPT and I was like, hey, so I have this channel about financial terms on a YouTube channel. And I need some keywords that will appeal to a general audience that are searching up financial terms, financial words. So please help me out. Give me like 25 to 50 words that are common to be searched in YouTube, so that I can reach more people on my videos. And this is what it gave me. It gave me some of these ideas. And that's what I put in. It was very simple. But I learned, and I'll show you here in just a second, how we can take this a step further and use much better keywords that other creators are using, as well as I'm going to then show you how to find the exact keywords that popular channels are using for their channel keywords. Okay, we want to find channels that are related to the same niche that our channel is in, and we want to find successful ones. Financial terms explained. That's what this channel is about. So I already looked at this one, and that channel overall isn't only about financial terms, it's a bunch of different things. I saw this one earlier. Clear value tax. Let's go here. Let's pause their video, if it even plays. Maybe not. Okay. So what we want to look for here, stock market terms, investing, okay, index funds, how to invest, options trading. Okay, so it looks like it's overall financial terms and him giving different explanations on it. So what we want to look at next is what kind of keywords is he using in his channel description. So he has financial freedom, making better decisions. Maybe we could use like financial decisions, Financial information we could use for another keyword. So what we would then do is remember some of those keywords, such as financial freedom, financial decisions. We then go to our YouTube studio. Let's go back to the channel keywords and let's put in some of the things that he had, such as financial freedom, maybe financial decisions, and financial information. Those are some that we can use. Now I'm going to show you what to do so that people find you in their searches when they search for other popular channels. So let's save that. We go back and we see this as, okay, so this is, yes, a popular channel. Clear value tax. Let's remember that channel name. Clear value tax. No space between clear and value. Back to studio we go. Let's go to settings. Go to channel. Clear value tax. Clear value tax. Enter. And you want to save that as a keyword. Now, whenever someone searches up clear value tax, my videos and my channel can also have a higher likelihood of being presented to that person when they search for that channel. Let's put it on my video as well. Let's do this video. Show more. Oh, a little far. Okay. Clear value tax. Oh, I misspelled that. Clear value tax. Perfect. And let's do some of those other ones that he had. Financial freedom. Let's do financial decisions. I cannot type today. Decisions. And financial information. Let's do that. Oh, that's too much. Okay, perfect. Now we save. And now I'm going to show you how to take this even a step further to find out the exact same keywords that these successful channels are using for their channel keywords. Let's go back. Let's go back again. Let's find clear value tax. So now what we're going to do, I don't know if this works on other web browsers except Chrome. I'm sure it does, but I only know how to do it on Google Chrome. So what you're going to do is when you're on that person's channel, you want to go off to the side, right click, hit view page source. And I don't know what this is, if it's like code for web pages or what, but we're going to go to the three dots up here. We then go to find and edit. And I already have it typed there, but you want to type in keyword. Boom. There it is right there. The keywords that this person uses for their successful channel. So we have taxes, stock market, investing for beginners, investing, trending news, IRS, taxes, stock market, how to invest, crypto inflation, dividend stocks. We found the keywords that they use for their channel. So let's use those keywords as well. And that'll give us a higher likelihood of success for our channel. So let's remember stock market, investing for beginners, and be sure to write these down as well so that you don't have to keep going like back and forth or something. Thankfully, I have that in another tab. So let's go to YouTube Studio, and let's go back to our channel keywords. So we had, what did he have? He had stock market, investing for beginners, stock market, investing for beginners. Wow, I cannot type. Investing for beginners. What else did he have? Maybe IRS taxes. How to invest. IRS taxes. Taxes. How to invest. And it goes on. You And you can do this for multiple channels that you find, successful channels that are in the same niche as your channel. And I can almost guarantee that when you do this, you are going to find so much more success. YouTube is then going to recommend your video so much more so that you get a lot more views on your videos. And this is only going to help more and more. But just remember to search the description of those successful channels, use those keywords in the description, in their descriptions, then use those channel names, those successful channel names as keywords, and then do this little hack that I just showed you of searching for their keywords in that like web code stuff, in that finder. And do this not only for your channel keywords, but be sure to include these keywords in each one of your videos. This is going to help so much. I'm excited for you to try this out and experience all the success that is coming your way. Be sure to stay tuned for the next video, and I will see you then.